Give London a Lift is our great scheme to support good causes in London. This year we've donated £10,000 worth of materials. In Fulham North, one of our winners is DanceWest. They have received £1,000 to buy all the materials they need to renew their facility.
My name's Rosie Whitney-Fish. I'm the Chief Executive and founder of DanceWest, and we're a registered charity supporting people to be healthy and happy by participating in dance. We produce 72 classes a week in the community and 26 here from our studio. We produce classes for everybody from preschoolers all the way through to older people in care homes, community centres, sheltered housing and hospitals. The main ambition is to get everyone physically active, mentally feeling really good and doing that by participating in dance. I think what's brilliant about what we do is that we build a community. We bring people together by giving them a real kind of interest and a weekly session where they can build friends, meet with each other and take part in something that's culturally stimulating but also really, really great for them physically and mentally. With £1,000 and the support of Leyland SDM, we can now refurbish, look after, keep our studio really, really nice and clean for all of the groups that are coming in to participate in our classes. It makes the world of difference. We're very, very grateful. Funding is really, really challenging. It's a constant, it's a daily task, and we're so grateful. Every penny counts.
It's fantastic to support groups all across London.